Karnataka Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar has called for a political reset in the assembly, urging all 224 MLAs to put aside political differences and work together for the state's development. Speaking in his first major assembly address after taking charge as Chief Minister, Shivkumar said the people's electoral mandate had to be respected. He said he wanted to use his tenure to work with legislators across party lines and build what he described as Team Karnataka. He said successive governments, irrespective of their political affiliations, had contributed to Karnataka's growth. Shivkumar urged legislators to keep political disagreements outside the House and focus on public issues inside it. Looking ahead, the Chief Minister outlined a 25-year development vision for Karnataka. He said the state should work towards becoming greener, reduce water wastage, and ensure that its water resources are used effectively, particularly for agriculture. Shivkumar also responded to H.D. Kumaraswamy's criticism of the Nice Road project and the proposed Bidadi township. He pointed out that former Prime Minister H.D. Devegowda had approved the Nice Road project and argued that Bengaluru's traffic situation would have been worse without the road. On the political road ahead, Shivkumar acknowledged that the 2028 Assembly elections would be challenging for Congress. However, he said he was prepared for the contest and described his political approach by saying he was not a football player, rather a chess player.